Alright, I have decided to take my AirTag apart, and this is what I see inside. It's actually not hard to take it apart at all. It's very inexpensive, and this thing is full of just random test points and all that good stuff. It's actually pretty cool. Interesting technology. If you put batteries back in, do that, just hold it up. Positive and negative. And then the middle is a magnet because that is your speaker. Alright, while I was goofing around, here's the speaker that just fell out. I'm pretty sure that's a speaker, but that doesn't look like it. So when I reassemble it with the batteries, that thing doesn't make sound anymore. So, yeah. Let's see if this still works. Here's the motherboard, and I have successfully took it apart. And over here is your speaker portion of it, and that's plastic molded, and I have not completely took it apart quite yet. So let's see how far we can go. Alright, last part that I have took the thing completely out of its casing. As you can see, the only thing it has left is the speaker coil. So that is that. And over here is your batteries back for the door for the batteries, and your Apple logo and a serial number and everything. And over here it's your speaker. And that's it. Here's the batteries. So, Philips. So, or Panasonic, my bad. CR2032. So, no children, 3-volt batteries. About right. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.